Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful Figma skill, how to rename layers and frames. Properly naming your layers isn't just about being tidy, it can completely transform the way you work, especially when your design files start to get complicated. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to keep your Figma projects organized, clean, and way easier to navigate, whether you're working solo or collaborating with a big team. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open up Figma. You can use either the desktop app or the web version, both work exactly the same for this. If you haven't already, pull up the project you want to organize. If you don't have one handy, just create a new file with a couple of shapes or frames so you can practice along with me. Now in Figma's interface, you'll notice a panel on the left side of the screen. This is called the Layers panel. Think of it kind of like an ingredient list for your design. Every element, every group, and every frame within your project is shown here. If you're anything like most designers, you probably have a bunch of rectangles and frames all named things like Rectangle 43 or Frame 104. Not exactly descriptive, right? That's where renaming comes in. Here, how it's done, simply look for the layer or frame you want to rename in the Layers panel. Once you've found it, double-click on the current name. It's just like renaming a file on your desktop. When you double-click, the text becomes editable. Pause for a moment here. Sometimes it might take a couple of tries to get the hang of where exactly to click. If you accidentally select the layer itself and see the properties pop up on the right, just try again right on the layer's name in the panel. Once the name is highlighted, just type in whatever new name makes sense for your project. For example, you might rename a bland Rectangle 5 to something more descriptive, like Header Background or Login Button. Giving layers clear, meaningful names not only helps you remember what each part does, but also makes it so much easier for teammates to jump into your file and know exactly where everything lives. Especially on big projects, trust me, your future self will thank you. Something to note, this simple trick works the exact same way for both layers and frames. So whether you've created a whole sign-up screen or just have an icon you want to label, you always just double-click the name and type your new label. Don't worry if things don't update immediately. Sometimes Figma takes a split second to refresh, but it will catch up. If you have lots of items to rename, take a little time to be consistent with your naming. For example, you might use prefixes like BTN for buttons or IMG for images. That way, when you scan down your layers panel, you can instantly spot what's what. It's like color coding your closet. You'll save so much time looking for things later on. And that's it, you've mastered renaming layers and frames in Figma. It's a tiny habit that pays off in a big way as your design files grow. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have questions or want to see more Figma tips, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical design tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy designing.